Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Actually, in the evening, I visit around the town. Sometimes I try to play cricket. However, in the weekend, I make a tour. Before sunset, I get back home, and getting back home, I get fresh and next taking a cup of tea, I start my homework. Completing it, I enjoy television along with my parents, and that's all. Actually, in the evening, I usually around visit town. Sometimes I try to play cricket. However, in the weekend, I make a tour. Before sunset, I get back home. Getting back home, I get fresh. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my homework. Completing it, I get ready to go to my coaching, and that's all.